are some things you're excited for our new house?
A garage to be able to pull my car into, and a toilet seat that's not freezing cold, and lots of other things.
I say I wanna do nothing. Don't wanna do a thing.
I'm excited for a big closet to be able to organize everything in, and I'm excited to wake up every morning and look at this view.
This view.
Do something.
In the next couple weeks, we plan to get our speakers in the ceiling put in, drywall finished, finish wiring in the basement, getting the lights put up, and that's about it.
I say I wanna do nothing. Don't wanna do a thing.
So after they finish mudding and taping the drywall, we are gonna have a painting party next weekend, and we're gonna be painting the whole house. And then after that, all that's left is flooring and the cabinets, and then we get to move in. Is that your happy dance?
Yeah.
Smile.
So how does it feel to be a homeowner?
Good right now.
Stressed out?
It's good. It's a lot of work. But I have a lot of awesome people helping us today. We're gonna hopefully get it all done in one day.